This is it. And you can see the invite cut tools. Click on it, and once you click on it, you need to log in your Discord account. So once it's login, yes, you can see this pop-up menu will appear. You need to select the server. So add the server and click continue and click the authorized option. So click I'm human and it's successfully updated. So after this, go to the Discord and click the server and click the server settings and go to roles. In this ticket tool is added. So click on create roles and click supporting man or supporting staffs like this. The role name and click the colors, role color, and make sure this two option will be in disable mode. So click save changes and also go to permissions, clear the permissions, and once again click the save changes. After this, go back to home screen, right click and click the create categories and name it the category name support and make sure its option will be enabled and click the ticket tools and supporting man and create a categories. And once the category is created, you put in the top and click right click and edit categories. In these you need to give the permissions. Go to the advanced permissions, it should be in everyone and need to click the read options, read message issue options and save. Go back and come to the right click and go to text and give the channel name supporting two stickers as channel is created. And once again go to the login tools and click login. Once you log in, the server is there. You need to manage which server you are going to do. So click the manage option and you can see the panel categories. Click on the panel categories. You need to click some settings need to enable. So click and create the panel name. So create. Once create, click the general options. Go to general option and here the support team role is there. You need to click the ticket tools. It will be already added. So once again click and save and go back and go to edit panel. In this you need to give titles and commands like this, whatever you wish. And once clicking, go back and go to the permissions. In these ticket owned permissions and make sure the read message history should be enabled and save changes and go back to panel and you can send the message and you can see the panel send the message too. So you can receive, is this received in your Discord. So this is how it's work.